Get ready to blow your mind. Science has given us so many game-changing explanations, but there's still an uncharted frontier waiting to be explored, the mysteries that baffle even our brightest minds. From bizarre natural wonders to inexplicable phenomena, we're about to dive into the top 25 jaw-dropping discoveries that science just can't crack. So buckle up and join us as we explore the most electrifying unsolved secrets in the scientific world. Get ready to geek out over these mind-blowing mysteries. In Costa Rica, thousands of ancient stone spheres have been popping up for centuries, some dating back over 1,000 years or as far as 600 AD. But here's the kicker: how did these heavy rocks, often made from gabbro magma, get those ridiculously smooth surfaces? And what were they even used for? Archaeologists are totally stumped. Meanwhile, in the depths of the ocean, archaeologists stumbled upon another enigma, the Antikythera mechanism. This 2,000-year-old bronze puzzle piece was part of a sunken Greek ship, and its purpose remains a total mystery. Some think it might have been an early astronomical calendar, but we're still just scratching the surface of this intricate machine's secrets. Get ready to unravel one of history's biggest mysteries. In ancient Peru lie mind-blowing geoglyphs known as the Nazca lines, so advanced they defy their 2,000-year-old timeline. Initially dismissed as simple trails or pathways, a bird's-eye view revealed designs that are shockingly modern and eerily sophisticated. While some fans of the unknown believe these enigmatic patterns point to extraterrestrial intervention, archaeologists remain skeptical, craving a solid explanation for what could be humanity's most impressive ancient achievement. Get ready to unravel a mystery that's over 7 millennia old, the Göbekli Tepe. Dating back to around 8000 BC, this ancient wonder is a game-changer in understanding human history. These mind-blowing temples were built by our hunter-gatherer ancestors, defying previous assumptions about when and how organized religion emerged. It was once believed that agriculture kickstarted the construction of grand structures, but Göbekli Tepe suggests otherwise. Let's dig deeper into this fascinating piece of the past. Fasten your seats because we've just hit a major plot twist in history. In '94, archaeologists stumbled upon the Göbekli Tepe and were blown away when they discovered it dated back a whopping 10,000 years, making it the oldest temple ever found. This shakeup completely flipped our understanding of human civilization's growth, which previously believed that worship started way later. So what on earth were these ancient people all about? And speaking of mysterious relics, let's dive into the enigmatic copper scroll next. Imagine stumbling upon an ancient secret diary, its pages filled with mysterious symbols and codes that leave you scratching your head, just like the enigmatic 70-year-old Zóinik manuscript. Discovered by accident in 1952, this cryptic treasure trove has scientists buzzing about hidden riches. Some speculate it's a map leading to gold or silver stashes, but all we know for sure is that it teases the existence of something valuable, nothing more, nothing less. So, what would you do if you found a book written in an unknown language? Buckle up, explorers. You're probably fluent in a handful of languages, but get ready to meet the ultimate code crackers challenge, a mysterious 250-page book that remains unreadable since its discovery in 1912 by a bookseller. This enigmatic writing throws us curveballs with a mix of what appears to be characters, zodiac signs, and even random symbols. It's like trying to decipher an astrological puzzle or cosmic secret. Could it be a playful hoax, or is this actually an ancient language waiting for its translator superhero? Let's unravel the mystery together. Get ready for the ultimate hidden gem. Scientists had a mind-blowing discovery back in 2003 when they unearthed remains in Indonesia, which at first glance resembled the mysterious Hobbit from your favorite fantasy books. This wasn't about J.R.R. Tolkien's characters, but rather an actual ancient species that researchers dubbed Homo floresiensis. And yes, that name is as cool as it sounds. Initially, a 30-year-old female skull was thought to be just a deformed human bone, but as more similar findings popped up, the scientific community was left stunned, realizing they had stumbled upon an entirely new species of human. But wait, there's a twist. Imagine stumbling upon a treasure trove while unclogging drains in the middle of nowhere. That's exactly what happened to a guy back in 1929. He found this weird collection of jewels and ancient stones, which later turned out to be super valuable relics from the Bronze Age. When archaeologists dug deeper, they were shocked to find even more of these mysterious treasures at the same site. So, why would an entire civilization stash their most precious stuff here? It's a mystery that has everyone scratching their heads. Let's get back to our mind-bending mystery tour. Who built these cosmic wonders? We just dug into crop circles and now we're heading over to Jordan to uncover some secrets of ancient stone circles. These ancient structures have left archaeologists scratching their heads for years, with theories ranging from cattle containment to something far more extraordinary. But here's the thing, there are no clear openings or entryways. So, what were these stones actually meant for? Get ready to unravel the mystery of this ancient giant, the Kochno stone. We've hit upon some serious unexplained stone secrets throughout history, but none are as colossal or puzzling as this 5,000-year-old behemoth. Stretching across the ground, its smooth surface and mind-boggling scale leave us questioning. Is it a natural wonder or an ancient marvel? All right, buckle up, history fans. Let's make a monumental leap forward, literally. After geeking out over the ancient wonder of Stonehenge, it's time to imagine what an upgraded version might look like. Can you picture it? Welcome to Stonehenge 2.0, where technology meets timeless mystery. Get ready for another mind-blowing secret from our ancient past. You might know Stonehenge as a mystifying marvel, but did you hear about its lesser-known twin, Superhenge? Discovered just 2 miles away in 2015, this hidden gem was buried beneath the earth, yet shares an eerie resemblance to its famous sibling. The rock alignment here is so similar, it's like stepping into Stonehenge's shadow. And just as baffling, get ready for one whack of a mystery. We're not pounding away at a rock band, but rather uncovering an ancient conundrum that'll make your head spin. Check out those wooden tendrils sprouting from this bizarre find. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi flick. When travelers stumbled upon this otherworldly sample, they couldn't resist taking it home to dig deeper. And what they discovered in the center was nothing short of astonishing. A prehistoric hammer dating back an unfathomable 400 million years. But here's where things get really wild. This hammer predates humanity's very concept of hammers by light years, leaving us with one burning question. What's the story behind this ancient relic? Fasten your seatbelts, folks. We're about to take a wild ride through history, and it starts with Saqqara bird, an ancient relic that's giving us serious Wright brothers vibes, dating back over 200 years. Some say this Egyptian-inspired bird hints at our ancestors knowing the secret of flight way before we thought. Others might just see it as a kid's toy. Either way, it's a mind-blowing mystery waiting to take off. Now, buckle up and meet the Baghdad battery, an ancient clay container that was actually storing electricity, marking one of the earliest battery breakthroughs ever. Get ready to blow your mind. We're diving into some historical mysteries. There's this bizarre battery-like device, hidden in history books, that can create an electric charge with acids or alkalines, but we still don't know who invented it or how our ancestors figured it out. And then there's the Piri Reis map, a 1513 Turkish treasure drawn on gazelle skin. It looks unassuming, but wait until you see its secret in excruciating detail. It maps Antarctica as if it's ice-free, raising the question, how did Admiral Piri Reis possibly know what an iceless Antarctica looked like over 6,000 years before our time? Get ready for mind-blowing engineering skills from centuries past. Nan Madol's mysterious cityscape, dating back to 200-800 AD, is not just one settlement. It's an entire metropolis spanning over 100 man-made islands in the ocean. Can you imagine building something this massive today? The fact that our ancestors accomplished this feat over 1,000 years ago raises so many questions. What drove them to create such an architectural marvel, and how did they possibly construct it without modern machinery? Let's dive into the secrets of Nan Madol. Buckle up and blast off with us as we explore more cosmic wonders. First up is Emu 69, a mountain-sized alien world that's the farthest human-made guest ever, thanks to NASA's New Horizons spacecraft. This tiny titan may look like just another asteroid, but NASA thinks it holds secrets about how planets are formed, making its impact way bigger than its size. And now, get ready for our next intergalactic stop, Fomalhaut B, a mysterious world that's hiding in plain sight among the stars. Get ready for a cosmic plot twist. Remember that groundbreaking exoplanet we talked about earlier. Fomalhaut B has vanished into thin air. Scientists using the Hubble Space Telescope discovered this shocking change, and they're thinking it might have been wiped out by an explosion so powerful. It's like something straight from science fiction. Astronomers are now trying to figure out if this rogue planet was just plain weird, or if it got slammed by a comet that packed a major punch. Hold up, you guys. We've got some cosmic mysteries to unravel. You might remember that exoplanet disappearing without a clue, but what about stars? Well, one blue dwarf star vanished into thin air in 2011, leaving scientists baffled it just poofed out of existence. Now, when big stars like this one bite the dust, we expect either a collapse or an epic supernova explosion. But nope, this tiny ball of gas left zero behind, and experts are scratching their heads, wondering what went down. Fast forward to another mind-blowing story. A white dwarf star survived a supernova. Yes, you heard that right. It weathered the most intense stellar storm imaginable, and is still shining bright today. Buckle up, space fans. We've got another mind-blowing case that's leaving scientists baffled. This star is throwing everything out of whack. Instead of hydrogen and helium, it's loaded with carbon, sodium, and aluminium, which doesn't quite add up to our usual stellar recipe. And hold on to your seats for the most bewildering part. Astronomers are scratching their heads on how this star even formed. But that's not all, as we're about to witness something truly cosmic. A star transforming into a planet right before our eyes, or rather, in about 1 trillion years. The extreme gravitational pull of a nearby black hole is allegedly compressing the star until it resembles Jupiter and somehow manages to stop burning its fuel altogether. That's some out-of-this-world stuff. Buckle up, space enthusiasts. Get ready to have your minds blown by another cosmic mind-blower. Black hole's already intense reputation is about to get an upgrade. Meanwhile, we've been tuning into some mysterious radio signals from the universe, but mostly they're one-hit wonders, extremely brief and never repeated. But hold on to your seats because some of these signals are starting to show a beat. Remember that 2020 discovery where astronomers picked up on a rhythmic signal firing every 16 days, consistently for 4 full days, before going dark for 12 more. Talk about an intergalactic drumline. The mystery deepens. We've got some mind-blowing oddities to share with you. Let's kick it off with unexplained signals in space and the whereabouts of their origin remaining a complete cosmic enigma. Now, moving on to something even more intriguing, we've stumbled upon an image of what appears to be a clandestine radio telescope, sparking wild theories among conspiracy enthusiasts. Some speculate it could be an unmarked observatory from a country trying to dip its toes into intergalactic exploration. The car driving away in the background seems to add fuel to this theory, but sadly, there's not much concrete information available on this mysterious setup. Get ready for the cosmic mind-bender topping our countdown, the enigmatic odd radio circles. These mystifying phenomena are like nothing astronomers have ever seen before, vast regions of unexplained radio wave emissions floating in space with no known counterparts. The sheer scale and distance of these intergalactic puzzles remain a mystery. But if we crack their code, they could unlock new secrets to the universe and show us just how much more there is to learn about the cosmos. Even from the things we thought we knew really well, we're constantly pushing boundaries as scientists strive to deepen our cosmic connection, exploring the secrets within our own planet and venturing further into space's endless mysteries. Don't forget to hit that like button and join us by subscribing for a wealth of more exciting content. Your support means the world. Thanks for being part of this journey with us. Until next time, stay curious.